Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Amazon. Don't think I've talked about them in a little bit, maybe once since the split, but definitely time for an update, kind of see what's going on with them. They are down over the last year, 37%. They were at the $3,700 range before the split. Down over 34% in the last 3 months. In the last month, down over 10%. Here in the last week, they're down about 7.5%. And here's a look at today. They're actually in the green. So I was kind of glad it was going down prior to the split. It just makes the split price cheaper. So actually don't want to see this one go up a whole lot just because I want to buy some more of it. But it is nice to see them go up from time to time, just to show the potential there. But again, this is Amazon, ticker AMZN, so actually having a green day, so very nice. But they're a multinational technology company, engages in provision of online retail shopping. That's not all they do. I believe their AWS is their main revenue. I think I remember reading that particular is about 70 to 74% of their income. I think their sales that they have on the products are pretty much a break even, sometimes at a loss. So just from what I've heard and read about them, but founded in 1994, market cap of 1.1 trillion. And that's probably down since the price is down, but high today of $108.80, low of $105.85, 52-week high of $188.65, and a low of $101.26. So average volume of 74.85 million, and volume today of 46.47. And so here's their earnings. Still got great ratings. Still got great ratings going on here. They always have every video that I've had. I think they had 96% last time. And here's their earnings. So next is right around the corner on July 28th. So I had some partial shares here in Robinhood. Went to a different brokerage, and so therefore I was kind of ticked off because you can see they got sold at a loss just because the price was down in regards to I bought it. It was $500 down. So unfortunately, the broker I thought was going to take these as a partials, but they ended up selling them. So I was kind of upset about that. Lost some money, but life goes on. Amazon Prime Video. Amazon to allow Prime users to unsubscribe in 2 clicks after EU complaints. And as you can see, this is just dated here today. So online retail giant Amazon has made it easier for users to cancel their subscription to its fast shipping club Prime in just 2 clicks. So that's another one of their income drivers is their Prime membership. So you get faster service as well as their platform, and probably some other features that we will go over here eventually on the video, but I'm not going to read that whole article to you, so feel free to pause and go over that if you'd like. Prime Day is coming up. Here's another driver that might see the stock go up, so you might want to watch this, and might be a time to watch and even do a option on it. So again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just state my opinion. But here's how to get Amazon Prime membership for free, and as you can see, this is dated here today. So Amazon Prime Day takes place this year on July 12th and 13th, so that would be a Tuesday and Wednesday coming up here, meaning the highly anticipated 48-hour sale event is right around the corner. Loyal Prime Day shoppers know the rules to take advantage of the deep discounts offered over the course of these 2 days. You have to be an Amazon Prime member. As of earlier this year, the annual Prime membership costs $139, a recent increase from $119 or $14.99 per month, a recent increase from $12.99 per month. While we think of Amazon Prime is worth having year-round for avid online shoppers, here are some ways to skirt around paying the membership fee in time to score Prime Day deals. So I laugh because it's kind of funny that here I am making a video about Amazon and plus giving you ways to lower that. So anything that helps. I don't know if it'll help the stock price, but it'll help put some money back in your pocket. So sign up for free for a 30-day trial. And if you just want to sign up for take advantage of Prime Day discounts, including early Prime Day deals that are already live, and that's it. A free 30-day trial is the way to go. Those totally new Amazon Prime membership or anyone who hasn't been a member in the last 12 months are eligible for a 30-day trial. Be sure to set a reminder when your trial ends so you can cancel it before it's up and you're charged for more time. Now that you'll need to use a credit card to set up your trial membership. If you're eligible, sign up for a free Prime student trial. So here it kind of goes if you are a college student, and here it kind of goes over some of the cancellation, but that's pretty much it. So feel free to pause and go over that information. Over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a buy with a 1-year price target of $175. And if you want to know what the pre-split price, you just take that by 20. Is Amazon.com potentially undervalued? Some say it's undervalued, some say it's overvalued. This is a little bit older as of last Monday, but still thought it was relevant to the video. So the company stock saw a double-digit share price rise of over 10% in the past couple of months on NASDAQ. As a large cap stock with high coverage by analysts, you could assume any recent changes in the company's outlook is already priced into the stock. However, what if the stock is still a bargain? Today I will analyze the recent data and what is Amazon.com worth. So that's always the question. Appears to be expensive according to my price multiple model. Some might not agree after the split, but a true technical analysis of it, they might say it's overvalued. So probably all depends who you ask. So, but which makes a comparison between the company's price to earnings ratio and the industry average. I've used the price to earnings ratio in this instance because there's not enough visibility to forecast its cash flows. Stocks ratio is 55.34 times, is currently well above the industry average of 18.2. When meaning that it is trading at a more expensive price relative to its peers, but is there another opportunity to buy low in the future, given Amazon.com share is fairly volatile. So that could mean the price can sink lower, giving us another chance to buy in the future. This is based on high beta, which is a good indicator for share price volatility. So right here's your chart. So the blue is their revenue. Green here is earnings, clear down here. Pink is free cash flow. It's a little bit under, kind of riding the wave of earnings. And cash from ops above here, above free cash flow and earnings. So future outlook is an important aspect when you're looking to buying a stock, especially if you're an investor looking for growth in a portfolio. Although value investors would argue the intrinsic value relative to the price that mattered the most. A more compelling investment thesis would be high growth potential at a cheap price. And are you a shareholder? You can put that in the comments. I would assume everybody watching this owns shares of Amazon, either pre or post split. So it seems like the market has truly priced in Amazon's positive outlook, which shares trading above industry price multiples. However, this brings up another question: is now the right time to sell? If you believe in Amazon, should trade below its current price, selling high and buying it back again when it falls towards the industry P ratio can be profitable. But before you make the decision, take a look at whether its fundamentals have changed. And are you a potential investor? This is a long-term hold for me if you want to know what I'm doing with it. But if you've been keeping an eye on Amazon for a while, now you may not be the best time to enter into the stock. The price has surpassed its industry peers, which means it is likely that it is no more upside for mispricing. However, the optimistic prospect is encouraging for Amazon, which means it is worth diving deeper into other factors in order to take advantage of the next price drop. And it could drop after Prime Day. That would be my assumption, but don't take my word for it. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, so just state my opinion. But this kind of, see if there's any information here. And Reddit, 150 puts were going to print. That was 25 days ago. So over here on StockTwits, currently at $108.61, a low of 101.26, high of 188.65. Top analysis price target for next day. It looks like Tesla's down a little bit. Apple's up just barely. Let's get to the 110s. By KLXE, tiny float, you're welcome. Might have to take a look at that one. Don't know what that one is. Over here on MSN Money, currently at 108.60, is showing a buy rating with an upside of 174.91. But that's all that I have on Amazon. If you have Amazon, like I said earlier, go ahead and put that in the comments. Your cost basis might be interesting as well. You could have got a tiny dip here, or even done an option right there, and you'd made some money. Last time I bought Amazon was in the 102 to 103 range. It's probably back in here somewhere. Actually, it was probably about a week or so ago. It's probably back in here, I'm guessing about 2 weeks ago. So, but I did get some at the 102, 103 dollar range, so I'm still in the green. I've had a couple other shares of Amazon before the split, so I'm way in the green on this one. So I've just been buying a little bit here and there, but like I said, if you have it, go ahead and list it in the comments, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.